Welcome, my students. Hope you are all well by the grace of Allah and doing your duties properly and also follow our instructions. In the crucial moment of coronavirus, you are all requested to stay at home and follow the rules of hygiene. Dear students, welcome to my English class. English second class, especially for the students of class 9. I am MD Khalidul Islam, head teacher, Bollardo Secondary School, Noida, Noida. English second part 9, 10, grammar. Dear students, look, this is a bag. This is also a bag. This is another bag. This bag. This bag is tagged with something. This bag also tagged with something. This bag also tagged something. He is a student, is it? He. Now, student, gaze. What are you discussing on my class? Dear students, guess. Okay, our today's lesson is tag question. Today's lesson is tag question. So, our today's lesson tag question on tag question English second part learning outcomes. After we have studies this lesson, we will be able to define question tag, identify tag operators, apply tag, different use of tag. This is a picture. You are Joshi. Adding tag, adding something with others, adding something with others. So we can say a tag question is a question that is used at the end of a statement to get the support from the listeners in a conversation. Dear students, look at the picture. This is a man sitting on a chair in front of a computer. He operates a computer. So everything has a computer operator. Tag questions has also some operators. 24 auxiliary verbs are their operators, such as am, is, are, was, were, shall, should, will, would, can, would, may, might, have, has, had, must, ought, dare, knew, do, does, and did, used in action verb. Tag question basic construction form of the operators. Am not is a full form. Aren't or ain't is a short form. We use aren't against am. We must avoid ain't. It is British formula. This is not used available. Is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, will not, won't, shall not, shan't, cannot, can't, would not, wouldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't. Must not, mustn't, has not, hasn't, have not, hadn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, ought not, oughtn't, dare not, daren't, need not, didn't. Mahabuba was our good friend. Wasn't they? Wasn't he? How to form a tag question? How to form a tag question? Structure in positive statement. Hassan is a truthful boy. Is he? Is he? He is an operator and Hassan is a noun. Here, noun he is used instead of noun. Here, he is a pronoun used instead of Hassan. So, when we make tag question, a statement plus comma plus operator negative nt plus subject of pronoun and note of interrogation. Structure in negative statement. She is not my mother. Is he? Is she? Subject plus comma plus operator subject pronoun plus note of interrogation. Talib is a smart boy, isn't he? Add tag question to the following. Rubina was a brilliant student. You were not a player. They are our guests. We can't do this now. He may come tomorrow. We should not disobey our parents. You could do it easily. They must not play bad. I have a pen. You had better go. When we make it tag question, wasn't she instead of Rubina? Where you aren't they? Can we? Meant he? Should we? Couldn't you? Must they? Don't I? Or haven't I? Hadn't you? How will you add tag if there is no operator in the statement? My mother cooks very well. Doesn't she? We play football regularly. Don't we? He went to market yesterday past, so didn't he? Notes. If there is present form with s or es, add that person which doesn't does. If you find present form without s or es, you stop. If you find present form without s or es, add tag with don't or do. If you find past form, add tag with didn't or did as a operator. Every mother loves her child. Don't they? When every someone, somebody, they is used they as a pronoun. Nobody believes a lie. Do they? Because we use they, nobody is a negative form. So we will write do they. Exceptions. If you find yes or yes after everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, none, the above rules will not be effective. In that places you have to add don't they, do they. Everyone respect him, don't they. Nobody likes a man of bad temper, do they. Notice carefully. Never, rarely, seldom, hardly, barely, and scarcely are treated as negative, though they are appear to us as a positive word. He never came again. Did he? Can she? You hardly ever came late. Did you? I barely know you. Do I? You would scarcely expect her to come. Would you? More exception. I have a few money. Don't or haven't I? I have few money. Do I? I have I. A few, a little equal to affirmative, few, little negative. I have few money. Do I? Or have I? There is a little water in the jar. Isn't there? There is little water in the jar. Is there? I need your help. Don't I? She needs a pen. Doesn't she? But you need not worry. Need you? I need not go there. Need I? This is model. If I had any scope, I would visit London. I would visit London. Wouldn't I? Last year I had visited London. Hadn't I? Follow. I apostrophe T visit. I would plus beyond. I apostrophe D visited. Here apostrophe had. If I had any school, I visit London wouldn't I? Subordinate plus principal plus. This is subordinate plus into also and here principal plus. Take question in imperative sentence. Follow me. Will. Don't stop. Will. Go on. Will. Please help me. Will. Kindly do me a favor. Will. Let me say something. Will you? Let him go. Will you? Let them enjoy the day. Will you? Exception in on place. Let us it will be made up. Shall we? Shall we? লেটের পরে আস থাকলে সেখানে আমরা shall we ব্যবহার করব। যখন আমরা লেট থাকলে লেটের পরে আস থাকবে তখন shall we, আর লেটের পরে be, him, them ইত্যাদি থাকলে আমরা will you ব্যবহার করব। নেক্সট গুডবাই, আই বিড গুডবাই। যখন আমরা গুডবাই বলি, গুড ইভিনিং, গুড আফটারনুন, তখন এর প্রথম দিকে আই ব্যবহার করতে হয়, আই গুডবাই। সো ট্যাগ কোশ্চেন করার সময় ডোন্ট আই লিখতে হয়। হাসান, হি ইজ হাসান, ইজন্ট হি। হু কেয়ার্স, nobody cares. Do they? Negative. Yes, it is. Isn't. No, it is not. So, is it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, thank you, I did, wish, say, don't I. Pair words. Add text in every sentence of the following passage. Mahim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. Everybody loves him. Once he went to visit Coxbazar. As he became ill, he could not visit Saint Mark. He told his friends, let's go back to Dhaka. Homework. Dear students, we will take a homework and you will write this passage about yourself in 5 to 6 sentences in different tenses. Then add tag to each sentence with the modal, later, action verb and exceptional use of text. Dear students, that's all today. We all know that the world is facing with an unseen contagious disease, so we don't go out without any reasons. If we have to go, we must wear a mask. Thank you everybody. Bye.